Hey, let me show you all gestures that you can use on your Redmi Buds 5. So all of these gestures we can actually find in the application. And from here, we'll have to go into the gestures. And first, we got the single tap, double tap, triple tap, and the press and the hold. For the both earbuds, we can find these gestures. So first, we can find on the single, for example, we can set the volume up and the volume down. So it actually means that we can adjust the volume level of our media by using our earbuds. On the double tap, we've got actually play and the pause media. On the triple tap, we got 2 times next song, but we can switch, for example, on the left one to get previous song. Next, on the both press and hold, we've got the noise cancellation, but we can actually get our voice assistant. So it actually means that from here we'll get the Siri, and we get also the phone calls notifications. And when there's like a call on the way, to receive this call or reject the call, you will have to actually click and hold left or the right earbud, just right here. So you will receive or answer the call. I mean receive. You will actually reject or answer the call. And that's all. If you are looking for some other videos about the Redmi Buds 5, just click on the description on this video and tap on the playlist below. And right now, please subscribe and see you on the next one.